What's up guys, Checkerboard here, and today I'm going to show you 5 patterns that you can put on your Rubik's Cube. These are all pretty simple patterns I'm going to show you that are easy to learn and require no memorization, just only the hand movements of a few moves. The checkerboard pattern is pretty simple and involves moves of 2. So what you're going to do this pattern is hold the cube just like this, any way you want, doesn't matter what color it is, and you're going to move the middle twice, right here. Then you're going to turn the cube this way, one time. You can go left also, but it doesn't matter, so just turn the cube around once. Then you're going to move the middle 2 more times. And now you're going to have to flip the cube this way or this way. Alright, once you do that, do middle 2 more times. And that will get you the checkerboard pattern. To do the stairs pattern, all you have to do is hold one side towards you of the puzzle, and then what you're going to be doing is a series of 2 moves over and over again. You're going to go right up, then left down, and then you turn the cube this way once, okay? Then you do it again, right up, left down. You turn the cube once, and you just keep doing that. Turn, right, left, turn, right, left, and then once you get a solid face again, turn the cube and you should have your nice stairs. The cross pattern is just a branch off of the stairs pattern. So what you do is, first off, you make the stairs pattern first. So hold one side towards you, and right up, left down, turn the cube that way. Right up, left down, turn the cube that way. And you just keep going until you hit that solid face. And when you get to this, don't do anything, just hold the cube right there. You're gonna, instead of going once around, you're going to go 2 times. So 1, 2, and then you continue what you did. Right up, left down, turn. 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 Right up, left down. And that should leave you with a nice cross pattern. To do inverted centers, all you have to do is a series of middle moves. So hold the cube, whatever 3 sides you want to swap the middle of. So I'm just going to hold blue towards me. And then what you're going to do is you're going to do a middle this way, to the middle down, to the middle back, to the middle back up. So you're going to go middle that way. And then you're going to pull this one down. And then you're going to pull this one that way. And then you're going to pull this one up. And that should give you inverted centers on all 6 sides. This one's called inverted stripes. To do inverted stripes, you have to hold one side of the cube on top and one side's facing right towards you. And so this one's going to involve mirrored moves on each side. So just like this, right up, left up, and then you move the top twice, and then you move right down, left down, and you're going to keep moving that move over and over. So then you're going to, but before you do that, you got to turn the cube twice around this way, then right up, left up, top 2, right down, left down. So now you move the cube once, right up, left up, U2, right down, left down. Now you move the cube twice. You do the same thing, right up, U2, right down, left down. And that will give you inverted stripes. That's it for today's video. That's 5 patterns you can put on the Rubik's Cube, and hope you have fun with creating these patterns. And if you like the video, put a thumbs up and subscribe if you want more content, and thanks for watching.